Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Happy Friday. Welcome to the True Trading Group YouTube channel. My name is Michael Edward Paranati. I go by Michael Edward, and I began my career over 17 years ago working at T3 Alpha Fund, my first job right out of college, where they made me go through an educational training program before the fund let me touch $1 of their money. That's where I learned how to become a trader. I didn't have to sit through hours of YouTube videos and sit in the dark depths of Discord chats. I was taught and learned by professionals on Wall Street. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and the head trader at True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. In case you guys didn't know, we are the fastest growing and highest rated premium online education platform that is available to the retail trader today. We give you guys university and professional level trading and investing courses, similar to what I learned at working at the fund. You get premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We trade it all at True Trading Group, also all styles. We do day trading, swing trading, and also, yes, even long-term investing. There's something for everybody in True Trading Group. But aside from the courses and the trade alerts, you also get access to Ben Singapro's real-time newsfeed, trading views charts, the trade ideas scanner, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, a trading journal, social sentiment scanner, our AI trading assistant tools, and everything. It's all included when you guys join the True Trading Group community. All right. You get just everything you need, one simple price for the entire year. But enough about that. Let's talk about what's going on in this market. Let's talk about how we have just now hit, as of today. In case you've been following the YouTube channel, I mean, maybe you may not have. Maybe this is the first time seeing me. If it is, fantastic. Love that you're here. Appreciate it. Show some love. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications too. I go live. I'm going live on Sunday evening at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. I'm giving away a ton of prizes. So you guys want to tune in. I'm going to give you my top trade ideas for the week as well. That's going to be 8:30 p.m. Eastern live on Sunday. So make sure you guys tune in. Subscribe to the channel. But if this is your first time being here, over the last couple of weeks, I've been talking a lot about a goal that we've set forth here at True Trading Group, and that is to eclipse our prior record of triple-digit gains that have been recorded within 1 month. That record in October was 20 triple-digit gains, alerted, executed, and profited on by members and moderators in True Trading Group in the month of October. We have now, it's November 17th as I make this video, and I'm happy to report that we have now had 22 triple-digit gains in the month of November. That is 42 triple-digit gains. And this, I'm not talking, this is not just me, okay? It's actually one of our other moderators is right now, the hot streak that she's on over these last couple of weeks is actually responsible for the biggest chunk of those 42 triple-digit gains, but it's spread out amongst all of our moderators. So there's 9 professional traders that are inside of True Trading Group that are calling out trades on a daily basis. Some of us are swing traders. Some of us are day traders. Some of us do both. Some of us trade stocks. Some trade options. Some trade futures. Okay. So what we've been able to accomplish in these last 2 months is absolutely nothing short of remarkable. I've never in my 17-year career seen the type of trading opportunities that are out there on a daily basis. Usually back in the day, if you've been trading for a few years, you know that you need to look for and find opportunity, right? You got to remember that if you've ever heard the phrase follow the money, right? They tell you to follow the money. It means you got to find where the opportunity is. You got to find where that institutional money is going into. This is not that market anymore. This is a market where no matter what you trade, whether it's small caps, mid caps, large caps, futures, it doesn't matter what you trade, commodities, there is opportunities in every single crevice and corner of this market. It is not normal to have 22 triple-digit gains alerted inside of a trading community when it's only November 17th. It's just unheard of. What I would tell you right now, while I get into kind of trades of the day from today, what I think the markets are going to do next week, I would highly suggest that you take a moment, open up a new web browser, go to ttgthree.com. That's TTG3 spelled out.com, because I understand a lot of the things I'm saying to you is tough for you to believe if you're actually not part of the community. So rather than you just take my word for it, I want you to come see it for yourself. Join our trial. It's a 7-day trial. It's 7 trading days. The weekend and holidays do not count against your 7 days. So you can sign up for the trial right now, not worry about Saturday, Sunday, not worry about Thanksgiving, and join us for 7 full trading days. Enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the form. We charge $3 to join our trial membership. Let me explain to you why. We do that because we maintain a very high quality chat room during the day. We have over 10,000 members in 115 different countries, of which there's probably 2,500 people that are in our chat room at any given moment during the day. We are all very focused on making money. I do not want someone coming into that community and spamming a bunch of nonsense in chat and distracting people from that goal. So in order to make sure you're a real person, we charge you $3. It's a one-time payment. There's no automatic renewal. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no funny business. All right. After your trial membership is over, that's it. You're never charged anything again. It's a one-time payment of $3. Really the best damn $3 you have ever spent in your entire life. And I want you to come see what it's like to be part of our community. I want you to communicate with members. I want you to talk to the professional traders that are in there, ask questions, participate. All right. Download the mobile app. You don't have to be sitting in front of your computer screen all day long. 82% of the members in True Trading Group have full-time jobs. The rest of them are full-time traders or retired. So download the mobile app once you guys join the trial. And this way you can get all the real-time push notifications when our professional traders are entering and exiting their positions. That's how so many of our people follow along with what takes place during the day. But I want you to see it and experience it for yourself. See what it's like to be part of the TTG community. Again, that's TTGTHREE.com. Name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, fill out the form, pay the $3, and then I'll see you guys in chat on Monday. All right. So go ahead and join that trial. If you do join and you join from the video, hit me up in chat, send me a message. Hey, Mike, what's up? I saw your video. I joined the trial. I'm here. I'd love to talk to you guys, answer any questions that you have. I'll tell you the positions I'm in, what positions I'm looking to get in, if that helps you guys throughout your day. And obviously with the goal of helping you guys make money, right? So ttg3.com. Now, let's get on over to the overall markets. Very, very, very slow day in the overall market today. Very choppy day in the overall markets. Not a lot of volatility today as we go into the weekend. The market has done a phenomenal job of digesting the massive move that this market has had over the last 3 weeks. This is one of the biggest moves in a short period of time that I've seen in the markets in quite a while. You got to go back to like the wild, crazy COVID days where the markets would go down 1,000 points and then up 1,000 points the next day to like when you would see like a vicious move like that. This is one of the biggest moves that I've seen in a couple weeks time frame in the market. And I think it's probably one of the bigger moves that you'll really ever see. And what's remarkable about this move is that ever since the CPI number gap up, this is that CPI number gap up, this huge gap. I'll zoom in for you so you guys can see it. The market has just gone sideways ever since. So you see the last 3 trading days of the market has just gone sideways. That's a very, very, very healthy sign when the market digests and consolidates a massive move like that. And you're doing it right into a huge level of resistance. You guys can see I already have this level drawn out and this area circled here. Previously resistance back in August. And that was when the day that Fitch downgraded the US's credit rating. And then there's resistance there at the very end of August and then into the very first trading day of September. And that establishes that resistance level. I do not believe, and I've said this on previous videos over the last couple of days, I do not believe we are just going to rip right through this level like it's not even there. Nothing goes up in a straight line, just like nothing goes down in a straight line. And I just feel that this market has gone a little too far, a little too fast. And I'm looking for a move into this level to then experience a little bit of a pullback. And I believe that that pullback will be a very tradable pullback before eventually finding its footing, right? Before eventually finding its footing and then moving back to the upside to then make another move and another back attempt at that level. So that's kind of the price action that I'm anticipating. And I'm going to be looking for trades like that off that level come Monday. So again, make sure that you join the trial and you come join me so that we can capitalize on these trades together. And then Sunday evening at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, set your reminders. I'm going to go live and give you actually my top trade ideas for the week. What stocks I'm focused on and what entry prices I'm going to be looking at, whether long or short. I'll share that with you guys on Sunday. All right. So those are my thoughts on the overall markets. Let's talk about how we were able to eclipse the 20 triple digit gain mark. And now that is a brand new record of 22. Let's talk about the triple digit gain that was from today. And we only had one triple digit gain today. And it was DraftKings, and it was a swing trade. Okay. This was a swing trade that was entered yesterday by Andrea Weber. Just one of our professional trading moderators that's in True Trading Group, obviously alerted to the group, alerted to the community. And the alert was the November 24th expiration, $37 call option on DraftKings. Okay. Alerted there on DraftKings. And that is now up 130%. It was a swing trade entered yesterday, and then into today, you get this beautiful follow through, huge move on DraftKings, taking profits up into those highs. And that is what is, this stock is just ripped, absolutely has ripped over these last 2 weeks. But just the entry was not weeks ago. The entry was just yesterday, right? The entry was just yesterday, and then taking profits out today, good for 130% gain. It was actually like a 87-cent entry and a $2 exit. So 87 cents on the entry on the call option, today exiting at around $2 a contract, which is good for, like I said, 130%. These are the type of trades that you guys can expect if you guys join our trial, where you guys are going to be able to get your notifications from your phone, right? You get notified that one of our traders has entered a position. You can then log in on your phone into your E-Trade account or your Robinhood account or your Webull or whatever it is, your Thinkorswim, place the trade, set a stop loss, go back to work, and then get a notification when that trader is exiting the position and taking profit. And you can log back in, take your profits, adjust your position if you need to, or adjust your stop loss and go about your day. We're not scalpers. We're not in and out within 30 seconds or 2 minutes, which is physically impossible for someone that works a full-time job to do. As you can see, a swing trade entered yesterday, exited today. And that's something that most people are able to do, no matter how busy you are during the day. I feel like most people are able to do that, which is why 82% of our members, like I said, do have full-time jobs. And this is how they're able to capitalize on what it is that takes place during the day. But then you also have another one today, another really big winner today, but it wasn't triple digits. It's Palantir. This was an 80% gain. And Palantir also was a swing trade entered yesterday. For this was the November 24th expiration, the $20 strike call option. And the entry on this trade was right here, shortly after 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Eastern time, and then profits off into today's move for an 80% gain. And I just want to show you this beautiful chart setup on the daily chart for Palantir. It was really a textbook setup, and I just want to point it out to you guys. You'll see here. Now we were long actually Palantir last week. We got long Palantir actually back in here, and this has been a phenomenal move. We actually been in and out of this trade 3 different times and have got triple digit gains twice on 2 separate legs of this position on the call option. But right now, this last third leg is up 80%. We'll see if we can get another triple digit on the back of that. But this is just a very simple, straightforward type of chart pattern where you have a previous resistance level that gets broken to the upside with great heavy volume, great momentum, clean break of resistance. And then you just see how we just sat back against that prior high and it acted as support. This candle that you see is something that you can call this, a hammer tail. You can call this a dragonfly doji. You bottoming tail. You can call this whatever you want. The bottom line is that's a buy signal. When you see that type of candle formation at a support level, which is exactly what you had the 9 exponential moving average, which is this teal blue line you see on my screen, and you had this previous resistance that creates this support level. Then you get this buy signal, that candle, that's a buy signal. So entering the position yesterday, expecting follow through today. And then you can see the nice, big, strong green candle you got today, providing our members with the 80% gain on Palantir. So again, just to recap, there was the entry and then took profits off into the move today for a solid 80% gain on the position. We'll see if we're able to eke out another 100%er here, because if this goes up a little bit further tomorrow, like Monday, if Palantir goes to here, then you will be looking at, folks, our 23rd triple digit gain of the month. But so far, that's only 80%. So that leaves us with 22 triple digit gains on the month. So like I said, folks, make sure you guys tune in, join the trial membership. I don't want you to take my word for it when I say these things. It's easy for someone to watch this video and be like, yeah, okay, bro, you're full of crap. And I get it. I get the skepticism. I honestly, I really, truly do. There's a lot of crap out there. There's a lot of people that don't know their ass from their elbow. They sell you they sell you the star and the moon, and they don't, you're lucky if you get a bag of dog crap. So I get it. That's why I want you to join our trial. I'm not even telling you about our membership right now. I don't want you to pay for a membership right now. I want you to come inside of our community as a trial, spend $3, which is less than what you spend for a cup of coffee at Starbucks. I promise they're the best damn $3 you ever spent in your life. See how we operate, see how we trade, see how we alert trades, see how moderators and members interact during the day. We're with you for the whole day. We're not gone after an hour or two and you're left to fend for yourself. You have 9 professional traders that share their screen, that talk on the mic, that alert their trades, tell you where their positions and orders are from pre-market all the way through until the close. So join us for 7 full trading days. The weekend and Thanksgiving holidays do not count against the 7 days. It is 7 trading days, not 7 calendar days. So go to ttgthree.com right now. Enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this, and then get your butts in chat Monday morning while we look to keep this ridiculous, insane, almost unbelievable streak of triple digit gains alive. Come see it for yourself. Don't take my word for it. See it for yourself. All right. Then call me a liar. You won't. I promise you. All right. ttgthree.com. That's TG3 spelled out. One-time payment of $3. There's no automatic renewal. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no automatic upgrade. It's just $3 one time. That's it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you smash that like button for us. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on Sunday when I go live at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. This is just a little video recap, but I'm going live at 8:30 p.m. Eastern on Sunday. I'm going to give you my top trade ideas for the week, and I'm giving away thousands of dollars in prizes. If you want a chance at one, make sure you join me.